Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a photo on a video in Capcut. It's very simple. Let's get started. First of all, open up Capcut phone and now tap on new project. Now select a video on which you want to overlay a photo. So let me select this one. Now tap on add. Now what you have to do is you just have to tap on overlay which is on bottom. Overlay. Now add overlay. Now what you have to do is you just have to tap on photo session which is on top right corner. Now you have to just select a photo which you want to overlay on a video. I'm selecting this one. Now tap on add. Now you guys can see the photo has been added on my video, and you can also set the duration of the photo, and you can do animation and many multiple operation on it. So that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.